Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Absolutely fantastic to have you back with us. I'm just on my way out to pick something up fairly locally, but while I'm out I thought I'd do another vlog. And I've got a question for you. Are you sitting comfortably? Not talking about the length of this video or anything else. I'm talking about how comfortable you find your bike and what you do to stay comfortable when you're riding. So if you're new to the channel, my name's Sarah. Awesome to have you along for the ride. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. It brightens my day up no end. You can also find me on Instagram, motorsarah.vlog, and Facebook as well, motorsarah. So yeah, how comfortable do you find your bike? I'm genuinely interested. I've made a few modifications to my own bike to make it more comfortable. I'm curious of what you have done to your bike to make it more comfortable or more suited to the sort of riding that you do. Whether that's short rides out or long rides, touring, off-roading, whatever it might be. I'm just curious as to what you guys have done to your bikes. So the last couple of days we've been out on the bikes. We went down to Surrey, which is, it's not that far, it's about 130 miles. But yesterday we came back the scenic route. It took us about 4 hours. When I came around the M25 and got stuck in a load of traffic. He doesn't like my speed of filtering, clearly. He did. Not quite as skinny as he is, or you, for that matter. So we thought we'd head off towards Saffron Walden and come back through the countryside, so that was lovely. Overall it was a 4-hour ride. It was the middle of the day, it was 37 degrees, so yeah, it was very hot. One of the big things for being comfortable is wearing appropriate gear for the weather. And like I said yesterday, it was extremely hot. It was 37 degrees and we've got vented jacket, we've got nicely vented helmets, but it was still too hot really. So I think I'm going to invest in some vented trousers. The Motorgirl leggings are awesome, but they are quite thick. And to be honest, they suit, for me personally, they suit more for spring and autumn riding than they do for summer riding when it's over about 25 degrees C. I do find them a little bit too warm. But you may not, you may find them perfect. So yeah, yeah, anyway, that was mission successful for collection of a load of soft luggage. Not for me, I hasten to add, but job done anyway. I'm going to head back home now. So please drop me a comment below. Let me know what you've done to your bike, if anything, to improve your comfort. Not just for summer riding, but winter riding. Said I've got the heated grips on here for the winter, I've got Gore-Tex gear, got all the stuff that I need to be comfortable throughout the year, except yesterday really did show me that I need to invest in some vented textile trousers, especially when it's incredibly hot. And with some of the tours that we're planning next year, we're really going to need those. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Awesome having you along for the ride as always. Drop us a comment below. Let me know what you've done to your bikes and what gear you wear to keep comfortable in different conditions. I love hearing from you. If you're new to the channel and you haven't already, please hit subscribe and like on this video. I do post new content every single week, normally on Fridays. So yeah, ride safe guys, get out there on those bikes and enjoy them. I'll be back with some more stuff very soon.